Hi everyone. So now we are going to discuss one more method that we need to complete, update ith bit. Okay, so what we will get n, the position and the value that we want to put in a particular bit position. So let's say we have a number like this and I say okay, this is the ith index and I want to update this index as 0. Okay, so what I need to do, I need to put this as a 0. Or it may happen that okay, no, this is the ith index, I want to put this index as 1. So we need to write a code such that it handles both the cases. Okay, so one way of doing this is what we can do, we can create a mask. Okay, we can create a mask and we know how to set this particular bit to 1. Okay, that is something we have already seen. But suppose if this bit is 1, I want to set it to 0. Okay, that we have also seen. So basically we need to combine the functionality of set bit plus clear bit in this particular case. Okay, so what we can do is, let's say we are talking about a particular bit position 1 1 1 0 0 1 0, something like this. I want to do some work here. So first what I can do, I can just clear this bit, I can make it 0. Okay, I can destroy this bit, that means I will make it 0. And once this bit is 0, we can actually do a OR operation with the mask. Okay, the mask would look something like this. If the value of bit that we want to set should be 1, or the mask would look something like this, all zeros, if the value that we want to set is going to be 0. So if you do the OR, you will have the right bit here. Okay, you will have the updated bit, and rest all the bits will remain same. Okay, rest everything will remain same. So here you will get the right value. So basically if the value is 0, we just need to do the clearing part, and if the value is 1, we first need to clear that bit so that it handles both the cases. Whether the old bit was 1 or 0, it will work for both. So what I can do, I can simply call clear ith bit, I can give n and I, and once it is done, what we can do, we can create a mask which is like this. I can say okay, int mask that is equal to 1 left shift I, and we can return, okay, it's a update method, so we can pass it by reference. So we can say n equals to n or mask. That's it. So this actually sets the right value. Okay, and sorry, this should not be 1 left shift I, this should be value left shift I. Okay, so that is v left shift I. So if the v is 0, okay, if the v is 0, this will be entirely 0, and doing OR with 0 will not do anything. Okay, and if v is 1, then this number would be something like this, and this will create the right mask for us, and the ith bit would be set in the value of n. So let us try to do some work. Maybe I can call this method update ith bit and endl. So let's say the original number was 13, and I can say ni and value. Let's say I want to set some bit in 13 to 1. So let me show it to you. Okay, so I want to set, so 13 is 1101, so I want to set the first bit as 1. Let me build the code. Okay, so 13 was like this, 1101. So if I set the first bit, then this number becomes 1111, which is 15. That is fine. If I say no, I want to update the second bit and I want to make the value as 0. So let's see what happens. So I want to say okay, set this bit as 0 and take I as input from the user. So second bit should be 0. Then the number would become, if this is set to 0, it would become 1001, and this number is nothing but 9. So I hope update bit is clear to you, and this is how we can implement update ith bit.